Okay, so we're in downtown Denpasar. Check out that river walk with some nice murals down there. Looks really amazing, actually. Don't see many people walking it, but I have seen a little bit. But actually, we're gonna walk down this street called Sulawesi on that side, and we'll just kind of see what it looks like. And we got more of the river down there and the river walk as well. And I believe, if I remember right, that down here is the market if you go all the way down. But I'm gonna go down to Sulawesi Street. So stay tuned for that. And we're in downtown Denpasar, Bali. Okay, so we're gonna go down Sulawesi Street. And hello. People are so friendly. So I believe this is called Sulawesi Street, Jalan Sulawesi. And we're gonna try to attempt to go down it so you can see the. Hello. So there's Sulawesi right there. Hello. Hello. I got some jewelry. So we're gonna. I think I can get on the sidewalk down over on the other side. So we're gonna try to get over there in a minute. So we'll just see what the street looks like. And then, hello. Abakabar. So we're gonna, I think I'm gonna try to get on that other side because it looks like we'll just kind of see what the sidewalk looks like and everything like that as well. We can get across right. Get across right now. So yeah, this is Sulawesi. So we're gonna go all the way down to the end. Looks like you kind of have to go up these steep steps a little bit to do this. So I'm gonna see how long I can walk on this. But I wanted to walk on that, but check out how you'd walk on that. Kind of a mess. So we're gonna stay on this side. Or maybe I'll go on this side. And I'm gonna try to go view over here. Yeah, look at this. So this sidewalk is kind of a mess. So you can kind of walk down a little bit. Yeah, I wonder actually if the shops are open or if they're closing. I heard there's a big holiday coming up, so I don't know if it's always like this or just like this now. But I think it's easier if I walk in the street though. So yeah, Sulawesi Street in Bali, Indonesia. Go up like this. Yeah, and actually this is the downtown, so a lot of the streets are a little bit different than this, but this is kind of what they look like in this area. And my goal is to go all the way down to the end, and then I think we kind of get near the marketplace. So I want to check that out, see what it looks like. Yeah, downtown Denpasar, Bali. A little bit hard to walk. I've seen some streets that are walkable and some that are not. But you got some kind of cool architecture up there. Actually, if these were like pedestrian streets, so that's part of the marketplace down that way. So we're gonna try to go straight and then to the left. Wish I had a rope for my camera. I don't have a rope, so I can't secure it. If somebody came by and tried to take it, I don't have a rope for that. For a strap. So we're gonna go around, and then the market's gonna be to the left here. We're gonna try to go like this. Go this way. And we're gonna go up this way. And now we're up in the market. So I'm gonna so yeah, Sulawesi downtown, and we kind of get into this. Lots of places to eat. So okay. So we're gonna, I think we're just gonna head over this way. Then we're gonna come over to an ending spot in a moment.
Hello.
Hello.
Hey, bridge left.
Okay. Let's make sure the camera is secure here. And then I guess the marketplace is in that space over there. And the river is over here, so I think I'm just gonna end over by the river, so we're gonna head over that way. But it's pretty cool though. So basically we did Sulawesi down to this marketplace. And there's the river again, so let's just walk over that way, come over to the river. We got the marketplace. Let's kind of come across. And then we're gonna come over to here. And now we got the riverfront right here. So this is kind of where we started, was on the other side, so it looks like people can actually walk all the way this way and all the way that way. Of course the market is right there. And we basically came all the way down. So we basically started down that way. We went like this down Sulawesi and then back, and now we got kind of have a marketplace right in here. Oops, sorry. All right.